A top government official wants to question you, and their reason will stun you. They believe you are keeping a secret that could alter the fate of an entire nation. This isn't just a coincidence, it's destiny steering you towards a purpose much larger than yourself. You might feel a strange pull, as if the events of your life are merging into something monumental. That's because they are. The universe is intricately designed, each moment crafted to lead you to your greater calling. This moment, this message, is your sign that you're not alone. You have been chosen for this time and place for a reason. Reflect on the struggles, the hurdles, and the tough choices you've faced. These weren't random, they have prepared you for what's coming. The universe doesn't call just anyone for such a pivotal role. Only those with strength, resilience, and wisdom, honed through challenges, are selected. This call from the government isn't just bureaucratic, it's much more profound. This official believes you have something, maybe a piece of knowledge, a unique viewpoint, or a latent power that could transform the world. Your life is no longer merely about your own journey. It is now linked with something bigger, something crucial. Type I accept my higher purpose to embrace this revelation. Why me? You might wonder. The answer is in the energy and alignment you hold with divine timing. Your past struggles and lessons have readied you for this moment. The official has noticed you because the universe has already mentioned your name to them. You might have felt insignificant or just another face in the crowd at times, but this was all part of a divine plan. Every challenge you faced was shaping you for this moment. This is your chance to embrace your power and seize the destiny meant for you. You were born to make a difference, and now that potential is being acknowledged by the highest authority. This official sees something exceptional in you, be it your insight, your wisdom, or a hidden talent. The time has come for you to step up. Type I am chosen to affirm your readiness. This official's interest in you is not arbitrary. They've come to you because they believe you hold a hidden truth. Inside you, there's something truly special that could change the world. Maybe it's a part of you that you haven't fully recognized or a talent you've undervalued. Whatever it is, it's powerful, even if you can't see it right now. It could come from unique experiences you've lived through, a way of seeing things shaped by your life, or a skill you've been perfecting over the years. The official who called you doesn't believe in coincidences, and neither should you. This call is your chance to dig deep and discover what's been hidden inside you for a long time. Are you ready to face this truth? This revelation won't just alter your personal path, it has the potential to change the world. Type I am ready to uncover the truth to show you're ready to embrace this new chapter. Pause everything you're doing right now. Here's why the official believes your life is directly linked to a global event that's about to happen. They think that your personal stories, your experiences, or your unique abilities are the missing pieces in a puzzle that could change history. This isn't just about you, it's about the world and the role you're supposed to play. Think about the impact your actions today could have. Are you prepared to accept this responsibility? The choices you make now will influence not just your own future, but also the lives of others around the globe. It's time to stop hesitating and start acting. The universe has been grooming you for this exact moment, and the official is here to give you the push you need to fully realize your potential. Will you step up? Type I am ready for my destiny to take that first crucial step. Now that you know you've been chosen for this, the following steps are absolutely vital. The path ahead will be intense and demanding, but remember, you've been selected because you are capable of handling this. Every experience you've had up to now was preparing you for this opportunity. Even those moments that felt like setbacks were actually setting you up for this bigger role. As you proceed, keep an eye out for signs. These could be unexpected opportunities, insights, or encounters that confirm you're on the right track. Pay attention to everything, no matter how trivial it might seem. It's time to embrace your role in this larger story. The journey ahead will be full of challenges, but also full of chances to make a real difference. The official's call was not random, it was meant to bring you to this pivotal moment. How you respond now could shape not just your future, but the future of our world. Are you ready to take on what comes next? Type I am ready to shape the future, to affirm your commitment to this journey. This is your time to shine, to show that all the trials and tests have prepared you for this moment. You are not just a participant in your life, but a key player in a much larger arena. Embrace this opportunity and let your inner strength guide you. The universe doesn't present a challenge without also providing the tools to overcome it. Expect synchronicities, unexpected calls, encounters, and opportunities that will affirm this message. Pay attention to every sign, no matter how minor. The official's inquiry is just the beginning. The responses you give could shape not only your future, but the future of an entire nation. However, not all paths will be smooth. Some of the doors that open will lead you into situations that test you, but these challenges will also unveil your true strength. Trust yourself, trust the process, and trust that the universe is guiding you every step of the way. Type I trust the universe to claim this guidance. It's natural to feel fear when faced with something this monumental, but fear is not your enemy. It's a signal that you're on the brink of something great. Every significant leap in life comes with fear. It exists only because you are about to step into a new level of greatness. The official's questions might seem daunting, but they are the key to unlocking your full potential. Remember, it's the challenges that shape us. Without them, we wouldn't evolve. Face your fears head on and take the next step. The universe is with you. Type I choose courage to conquer your fears. You might not realize just how powerful you are at this very moment. Your energy, your presence, your spirit, they all have the potential to create immense change. The universe has been preparing you for this moment, whether you knew it or not. Believe it or not, everything in your life has led you to this point. This is not the time to pull back because of fear. It's the time to step into your full power and show everyone what you're capable of. The official has approached you because they see what you can do, but they can't make you take the next step. Only you can do that. You have everything you need to succeed. It's all inside you. Just believe in yourself. Type I am powerful to unleash your potential. If you felt held back or faced delays recently, know that these were all part of a bigger plan. Every obstacle redirected you, every loss taught you something, and every moment of waiting was preparing you for now. This moment, this challenge from the official, has been years in the making. Your past challenges and victories have all been set up to bring you here. The universe doesn't hurry, it moves with intention, and now the timing is just right. Trust that everything is happening exactly as it should. The official's interest in you has been destined for a reason. This is your moment. Type I trust divine timing to align with your destiny. The steps you take today will resonate through time, whether through the answers you give, the truths you uncover, or the power you unleash. Your legacy will be shaped in these moments. You were chosen for this purpose, and the official is just one part of your path. What matters now is how you use this chance. Will you rise to the challenge? Will you embrace your higher self and create a future beyond your wildest dreams? This isn't just about your own life, it's about the impact you're meant to have on the world. Type I am ready for my legacy to embrace this calling. The universe has spoken, and a top government official is waiting for you. But more importantly, the world is waiting for you to step into your destiny. This is your time, your moment, your calling. Don't let fear stop you. Your destiny is within reach. Will you seize it? Type I am ready for my journey to claim this final message. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.